Hi friends, welcome back to my channel. My name is Liz, and if you're new around here, we do a butt ton of beauty related content. Today we will be doing a makeup tutorial. So today's video is part 3 of my little Hocus Pocus If It Was Glam in 2022 series. I am doing Mary today, and I have gone a little bit wild with this one. I was inspired by her reds and purples. She has a purple ribbon in her hair, but I wanted to do something different other than your typical smoky. So I absolutely love this, and I think it looks amazing. So if you would like to see how I created this makeup look, then please keep on watching.
Starting out the look as usual, I am taking my Too Faced Born This Way concealer as my eye base and blending it out with my Real Techniques setting brush. I'm going in with this Morphe palette and I'm taking the shade Smoothie, and I'm taking that on a fluffy blending brush and starting that in my crease. I've applied some tape on my outer corner so that I can get a really sharp edge with my makeup, and I just think it's fun to have that. It's easier. So I'm going in with that shade Smoothie and starting out on the outer corner and packing that on, and then slowly bringing that all the way into the inner crease area. And for this one, I'm using my translucent powder to help blend it out. I did find that I had to pack it on quite a lot. The color just didn't want to build up for me. Then I'm going in with, I believe you say chicory, on the same blending brush and doing the same motions, going in on the outer corner in that outer V area, and then packing it on and blending it out, and eventually blending it all the way across into the inner crease area. I'm going in with this MAC palette. I've forgotten what this shade is, but I'm taking it on a smaller blending brush. It's the dark red. And I'm taking it more specifically in the outer V area, just to give so much more depth that I couldn't get with any of the shades in the Morphe palette. But I'll go in, pack that on, and then start to blend that across. But for this one, I only take it nowhere further than half across the lid, because I don't want it to be too crazy in that crease area where I've already got a lot of other things going on. Back into the Morphe palette, I'm taking the shade Purplish on a flat brush, and I'm packing it on the lid, going on the center of the lid first, and I will blend it over to the outer corner. But really I'm just packing that on to make sure I have a really intense color. Then taking the shade Beats Me, I'm taking that on the outer corner and blending that in to purplish on the center of the lid. I'm not really taking the purple up along the wing or anywhere really near the tape. I want to keep that where that red shade is. So I'm just tapping to blend, and then I'm taking the shade Pixie on a clean brush from the Morphe palette, and that is going on the inner corner of the eye, and I'm tapping it with purplish. Oh, so many colors. I'm just tapping to blend, and then taking the shade Lollipop on the innermost corner to create that little bit of a highlight and blend that in with the Pixie. Then for my eyeliner, I'm taking the Clueless eyeliner again. This is from Revolution. I'm not sure if it's a part of their permanent collection, but this is part of the limited edition collection, Revolution Cross Clueless. Oh, I cannot talk today. So once doing a liner, I have then decided to put on some mascara. This is the CoverGirl Lash Clean Mascara. Clean Lash. And then for lips, I'm just taking this liquid matte in the shade Latte. I wanted to keep it quite neutral. To finish off the eyes, I did add on some lashes and some nude liner through the waterline, just to make everything nice and neutral.
Alrighty guys, so that is it for this tutorial. I really hope that you enjoyed. I am so happy that I managed to get this up. I just love it. Again, my finger, I'm sorry if you saw the bandage. I couldn't help that. I do apologize. But anyway, please remember to subscribe if you like what you've seen. Leave me a comment if you have any questions, and I'll get back to them as soon as I can. I hope you're having a fantastic day or night wherever you are, whenever you're watching this, and I will see you in my next video. Bye guys.